Mr. Secretary, i-disclose ko lang, no, na po unang napikon sa inyo. Because you were undermining the work done by my staff.
Ang SOP na napunta sa inyo is worth 2.25 billion pesos since 2022. Pero dahil po sa inyong masamang liderato, nandito tayo ngayon. Inaayos po natin, hinahanap po natin sino yung mga kriminal. Hindi pa po natin mahanap dahil nasa Portugal na nagtatago.
What is the right to invoke self-incrimination?
You go to jail for the violation of Batas Pambansa number 22. What is the difference between legal separation and divorce in the Philippines? Who can avail a probation or parole? What are our online responsibilities and risk mitigation to prevent cyber libel? And kanin, the return of military bases in the Philippines? Subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po. Yamanak.
Submit sa sumbong sa Pangulo na maling grid coordinates, my investigator's mind. Kaya unang naisip ko Secretary, bakit kayo nakapagsalita noon na mali yung grid coordinates namin when in fact we did not rely on the sumbong sa Pangulo grid coordinates. We relied on the DPWH grid coordinates and people on the ground. Kaya we were 100% sure na yung sinabi ko sa aking privilege speech na ghost project sa Sitio Dique was really a ghost project. Alam niyo, Mr. Secretary, i-disclose ko lang, no, na po unang napikon sa inyo. Because you were undermining the work done by my staff. Go ahead, please. Please explain.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, but there's probably a misunderstanding a little bit on that, Mr. Chair. I only knew about the differences between the yung grid coordinates when we submitted actually the list of projects sa Office of the President. That is, I never knew actually about the coordinates, even.
Maliwanag po yung inyong interview Mali yung grid coordinates ni Senator Lacson. Yun ang narinig sa interview nyo. Sabi ko, paano niya sabing mali? Chinek namin sa ground mismo, kausap namin yung mga tao, and we inspected physically. So my other question is, between August 4 last year, when you submitted the list of the grid coordinates to the Office of the President, and now that we're discussing it, kailan yung unang na-realize na may mga maling grid coordinates?
After August 4, Your Honor.
When? After August 4 could be today.
Well, I think a few weeks after when I already been able to validate actually yung existence of the ghost projects in Bulacan First Engineering.
Who informed you na merong mali?
The Regional Office of Region 3, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo nasabihan ni Undersecretary Bernardo na mali po sir yung ating nasubmit?
Hindi po for that particular area, Your Honor.
No.
We did not discuss.
All over.
We did not discuss actually coordinates at that time, Your
Undersecretary
Honor.
Bernardo?
We did not discuss the coordinates actually at that time. It's only the presence of.
Yeah, okay. I want to hear from Undersecretary Bernardo because in one of our private conversations, na-take up niya yan nasabi na sa inyo na mali po sir yung ating nasubmit. When I kept praising the sumbong sa Pangulo as very helpful to us. Kailan nyo kinol yung attention na Malacanang, ops, i-recall muna namin kasi mali yung aming nasubmit. Were there efforts in that regard?
Yes, as I recall, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I think when I reported to the President the presence of the ghost projects in Bulacan First Engineering District, after I have validated it personally, 2 weeks after siguro po yun, 2 weeks after August 4. 2 weeks after August 4 po yung kwan dito. And I told the President that as I learned from our staff noon na po, pinag-uusapan na natin yan, that they were telling me that there seems to be some differences between the MIPS coordinates and the ASIC coordinates. So I told the president that there are certain differences between the coordinates submitted in this Sumbong to Pangulo.
Thank you. The Senate President is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Well, I was really going to ask the Department of Justice one or two questions, but before that, a concern was brought to my attention. You mentioned August 4, but August 3, former Secretary Bonoan, Engineer Bonoan, Yusek Alcantara reported to you the existence of ghost projects, which was admitted to him by Bryce Hernandez. You reported this to the President, who eventually, I understand, went to the site. So, did you validate this? How did you validate the report of Yusek Alcantara?
I went to the site.
DE? I'm sorry, District Engineer Alcantara.
Your Honor, I went to the site myself, together with people from the regional office, and they pointed it out to me, the location where they claim it's already a project that was completed, and I took some time actually to validate it, asking people around, the people in that area, if they indeed this project were actually new projects, and they confirmed to me that these were old structures already.
Secretary Cathy Cabral. And in one of our budget hearings, I believe, kinumpute po ito ni Chairman Senator Lacson and Senator Kiko Pangilinan, ang SOP na napunta sa inyo is worth 2.25 billion pesos since 2022.
Well,
Ano po ang masasabi niyo ho dyan?
I think, Your Honor, I think this is something. Well, I think I issued a denial on this at one point in time when I learned about. I have not read the entire affidavit, but I issued a denial to it. I don't even recall actually talking about any projects at all. There would be proposals from them. I just.
But this is very clear na meron kayong allocated amount at nagsasubmit sila ng project sa inyo at binibigyan kayo ng kickback.
Wala ho.
10%, 15%, and pag sinuma ho natin lahat yan, naabot yan to 2.2 billion pesos.
This, I completely deny, Your Honor. I don't have any allocable amount.
Mamaya, pagsasalita namin si Congressman Leandro Libiste.
Opo.
And I think he will negate what you just stated, na wala kayong allocable. Kung hindi man allocable, baka non-allocable. Pero meron. Anyway, sige.
But Mr. Chairman, whether allocable, non-allocable, nakakuha kayo ng kickback.
Wala po.
And the fact is, nandito tayo ngayon dito sa hearing because for the last 4 years, pinabayaan yung nangyayari ito under your watch. You're the Secretary of
For
the
3 years, Your
DPWH.
Honor.
3 years, 2 years, 3 years. Secretary kayo ng DPWH. May mga ghost projects. May 20-25% nangyayari sa ilalim po ng inyong opisina. Kaya ako, personally, ako naniniwala po ako dito eh. Paano ho isang secretary palalampasin niyo itong nangyayari sa atin? Kaya ho tayo nandito sa ganitong sitwasyon ngayon eh.
Your Honor, as Secretary of the Department, I have general oversight. I have general oversight of all the implementation.
Pero kung kasali ho kayo dito sa mga kickback,
And
ang oversight na yan, walang kwenta ho yan.
And this is what I deny, Your Honor.
Ano, hindi ko ho makita. Sa Bulacan, sa Davao Oriental, may ghost project. Lahat ng kasama nyo, alam eh, 2025 na kickback na nangyari. Kayo lang hindi nakakaalam eh.
Your Honor, I was the one actually who reported to the President where the ghost projects are in 2024.
Nung pumutok na ho to, nung nag-privilege speech na Senator Lacson dito
Hindi
sa
po.
Senado. But throughout the years na pumupunta ho kayo dito, wala naman kaming naririnig na may problema. Kasi in my opinion, kasali ho kayo dito. But anyways, Mr. Chairman, I'm just echoing my frustration as a Filipino, Mr. President. Nakaka-frustrate, no? Na nandito tayo ngayon, pinakikinggan natin to. Dapat ang pinakikinggan ho natin kung paano po umunlad yung bansa ho natin. Pero dahil po sa inyong masamang liderato, nandito tayo ngayon. Inaayos ho natin. Hinahanap po natin sino yung mga kriminal. Hindi pa ho natin mahanap dahil nasa Portugal na nagtatago. Bakit niyo ho pinabayaan? Yun ang aking sentimento. But wag na ho kayong sumagot. I don't expect you to admit that, but I'm just airing out my frustration, Mr. Chairman. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.